I'ma lock out, I'ma go low with a foe, I'ma pop out, make 'em go low to the floor with my Glock out. Don't you go holding the phone when I rock out. Talk about all them other hoes that I locked out. I'ma go low with a foe, I'ma pop out, make 'em go low to the floor with my Glock out. Rock out, talk about what's hot, yeah I'm hot now. Pop out, hit 'em with a rock.
Bitch, I'm hot now, I do shit that I wanna do. Yo, main bitch come through and she got the juice. Yeah, I'm young, but I'm looking like a father. Wrote this shit, you could call me an author. I'm in my bag like a puppy with a white woman. I don't go on dates, I don't sit back and count wins. I don't fuck with fake shit, I don't do the hating. I'm just getting money, I ain't trying to complicate. If the bitch got some cake, you know I hate. Put some D up on the plate and now she all in my place saying pass the Henny. Shorty wanna bust down, man she looking good as fuck, she like my bust down. You can start calling me busy cause I'm up now. MTV come through cause I'm up now. All these hoes here I'm finna lock them down. If a nigga talk shit I'm finna knock them down.
I'ma